Tea is a popular beverage consumed worldwide for its taste, aroma, and potential health benefits. For individuals with diabetes, certain types of tea can have a positive impact on blood sugar control and overall health. However, not all teas are created equal. In this video, we explore the world of tea and diabetes, discussing which teas are most beneficial and which should be avoided. Watch till the end to find out. We'll provide answers to critical questions, backed by scientific studies, to help diabetics make informed choices about their tea consumption. First of all, let's talk about why tea is beneficial for diabetics. Tea contains various bioactive compounds that can provide health benefits for diabetics. Antioxidants. Tea is rich in antioxidants, such as catechins and flavonoids, which can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, factors that play a role in the development and progression of diabetes. Blood sugar control. Some teas have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Weight management. Certain teas can help with weight management, which is essential for diabetics to maintain good glycemic control and reduce the risk of complications. Which teas are better for diabetics? Several types of tea have been shown to be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that green tea extract significantly reduced fasting glucose and hemoglobin A1C, HbA1c, levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Black tea. Black tea contains theaflavins and theorubigens, which are antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and improve blood sugar control. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that black tea extract improved insulin sensitivity in a rat model of type 2 diabetes. Oolong tea. Oolong tea is a partially fermented tea that contains both catechins and theaflavins. A study published in Diabetes Care found that oolong tea improved blood sugar control in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Herbal teas. Some herbal teas, such as chamomile, cinnamon, and fenugreek, have been shown to have potential blood sugar lowering effects. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings, and it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before using herbal teas to manage diabetes. Which tea should diabetics avoid or consume in moderation? While most types of tea can be beneficial for diabetics, there is one type that should be avoided or consumed in moderation: sweetened tea. Sweetened teas, including bottled teas, and those prepared with added sugar or artificial sweeteners, can cause blood sugar spikes and negatively affect diabetes management. Diabetics should opt for unsweetened teas and avoid consuming sweetened varieties. Are there any risks associated with tea consumption for diabetics? Tea consumption is generally safe for diabetics, but there are some potential risks to consider. Caffeine. Some teas, such as black and green tea, contain caffeine, which can cause short-term blood sugar fluctuations. Diabetics who are sensitive to caffeine should opt for decaffeinated varieties or limit their consumption of caffeinated teas. Drug interactions. Tea can interact with certain medications commonly prescribed for diabetes, such as metformin and insulin. Diabetics should discuss their tea consumption with their healthcare provider to avoid potential drug interactions. Herbal tea safety. Some herbal teas can have potent effects on blood sugar levels, and their safety and efficacy may not be well established. Diabetics should consult a healthcare professional before using herbal teas to manage their condition and ensure they are using them safely and effectively. What are the best practices for diabetics when consuming tea? To maximize the benefits of tea consumption for diabetes management, diabetics should follow these guidelines. Choose unsweetened teas. Opt for unsweetened varieties of tea, such as green, black, or oolong tea, to avoid blood sugar spikes. If you prefer a sweeter taste, consider adding a small amount of a natural, low-glycemic sweetener like stevia. Monitor caffeine intake. Be mindful of your caffeine consumption, particularly if you are sensitive to its effects. Choose decaffeinated teas, or limit your intake of caffeinated teas as needed. Consult your healthcare provider. Discuss your tea consumption with your healthcare provider, especially if you are taking medications for diabetes. This can help you avoid potential drug interactions and ensure you're consuming tea safely and effectively. Experiment with herbal teas. Explore different herbal teas that may have blood sugar lowering effects, but always consult a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your diabetes management plan. Tea can be a beneficial addition to a diabetic's diet, offering antioxidants, blood sugar control, and weight management support. Green, black, and oolong teas have been shown to be particularly helpful for individuals with diabetes. However, diabetics should avoid sweetened teas and be cautious with their caffeine intake and herbal tea consumption. By following the best practices for tea consumption and working closely with their healthcare provider, diabetics can enjoy the benefits of tea while effectively managing their condition. Other benefits of drinking tea. Drinking tea has been associated with numerous health benefits, including improved cognitive function. The caffeine and L-theanine present in tea can improve alertness, attention, and memory. Reduced risk of heart disease. The flavonoids in tea can help to reduce inflammation and improve heart health, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Lower risk of certain types of cancer. Some studies have suggested that drinking tea, particularly green tea, may help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and lung cancer. Improved digestion. Herbal teas such as peppermint and ginger can help to soothe digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and nausea. Reduce stress and anxiety. The L-theanine in tea has been shown to promote relaxation and reduce stress and anxiety. Boosted immune system. The antioxidants present in tea can help to boost the immune system, reducing the risk of illness and infection. Improved hydration. Tea can be a great source of hydration, particularly herbal teas which are caffeine-free and can be consumed throughout the day. Can tea be bad for your health? Most teas are benign, but the FDA has issued warnings about so-called dieters' teas that contain senna, aloe, buckthorn, and other plant-derived laxatives. The agency also warns consumers to be wary of herb-containing supplements that claim to kill pain and fight cancer. None of the claims is backed by science, and some of the herbs have led to bowel problems, liver and kidney damage, and even death. The FDA cautions against taking supplements that include comfrey, ephedra, willowbark, germander, lobelia, chaparral. These cautions aside, nutritionists say to drink up and enjoy the health benefits of tea. You want to incorporate healthy beverages in your diet on a more regular basis to benefit from these health-promoting properties, says Diane L. McKay, Ph.D., a Tufts University scientist who studies antioxidants. It's not just about the foods, it's about what you drink as well that can contribute to your health. In summary, while the evidence is not conclusive, there is some indication that drinking tea, particularly green tea and black tea, may be beneficial for reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. However, further research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits of tea for people with diabetes. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content about diabetes and nutrition. Stay healthy and take care.